Have you ever wondered why tigers have those distinctive black stripes? It's not just for show. Tigers' stripes serve as excellent camouflage in their natural habitats of forests and grasslands. The vertical stripes help break up their outline, making them less visible to both prey and predators among the trees and tall grasses. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint, which helps researchers identify individual tigers in the wild. Interestingly, their skin is also striped, not just their fur. So the next time you marvel at a tiger's striking appearance, remember, those stripes are a perfect blend of beauty and survival strategy.